Hey everyone, Jason Hill here, and today I'm going to show you how to make pickles, and not just any ordinary pickle. This is the San Francisco 49ers Levi Stadium pickle. And remember, if you're liking these videos, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. That way every time we make a video, you'll be notified. Okay, let's get started. Okay, we're going to start by setting our saucepan on medium-high. I'm going to add 1.5 cups of apple cider vinegar, followed by 1.5 cups of sugar in the raw. And then we have 1/2 teaspoon of Szechuan peppercorns, but here in the States they're known as dried prickly ash. And then 1/2 teaspoon of mustard seed. Get in there. Followed by 1/2 teaspoon of celery seed. We're just making up the brine here. 1/2 teaspoon of ground turmeric. And then 1/2 teaspoon of ground cloves. 1/2 teaspoon of kosher salt or sea salt. And you want to bring this to a soft boil until the sugar completely dissolves. While the brine is coming to a boil, it's time to chop up the cucumber and red onion. So I have 2 large cucumbers, and I'm going to cut them into coins because that's how they do them at the stadium. And one cool thing about the stadium is they grow all the ingredients for these on their rooftop farm at the stadium. Okay, after we cut the cucumber, let's grab our red onion. I'm going to cut off the ends. I'm going to set it upright. Go down the middle. And then from here, we're just going to make into little half-moon slices. Just like that. Okay, if my eyes are watering, this is real life, people. This onion is pretty strong. We didn't have it chilled, so it's putting off a lot of onion fumes. So now we're just going to put everything into a casserole dish or a large bowl. And our brine should be coming to a boil by now. All right, now we are going to carefully pour the brine over our cucumber and onion. Wow, that smells really good. Woo! Okay, so from here, I just like to push down the onions into the brine as best I can. Now I'm going to put it in the freezer for about 15 minutes to get a quick chill on it, and then we're going to take it out, cover it tightly, go in the refrigerator for preferably 2 days, at least 24 hours. So we'll check it then. It's been exactly 2 days. I removed the pickles from the refrigerator. Let's check them out. See the little mustard seeds in there. You can see they've shrunken down, they've crisped up. The onions probably giving off their flavor. Wow, what a unique pickle recipe. I can't wait to take a bite. Okay, let's see if they have that authentic pickle crunch that we all crave. I don't know if you can catch that on the mic. Definitely crunchy, but on the sweet side, but tangy as well. Very unique flavor. Man, I think these would go good on like a hot chicken sandwich, pulled pork sandwich, any cold cut sandwich you might be making, or just as a little bowl as a snack. That was a fun recipe. And remember, if you're liking these videos, like, subscribe, share, tag that bell so you'll be notified every time we make a video. And as always, thanks for tuning in.